For my learning exercise 4, I made a website. It is called the Musculoskeletal System Chapter Learning Activity 4. This is what the website looks like when you first enter it without scrolling. And then once you start scrolling, I included a picture of the skeletal system from our book. And then I have an infographic at the bottom of the page which says what makes up the skeletal system. It says 206 bones make up the skeletal system, and that these bones make up the internal framework of the body called the skeleton. When you keep scrolling down, this is when I start talking about bones and joints. I stated that bones and joints are the primary structures that comprise the skeletal system, and then I added some facts. Then, when you scroll down, I started talking about some suffixes and what they mean. And then, right below suffixes, I started talking about prefixes, dis, and non. I explained that each bone in your body is a unique organ which carries its own blood supply, nerves, and lymphatic vessels. When these bones are connected, they form a skeleton, but how do these bones connect? Joints are the places where two bones meet, and ligaments are what hold bones together. Then I just felt it was important to explain how bones are formed, which is ossification. Then I start talking about the different types of bones. I made sure that when I did this, I explained the different types and then also had examples and photos for each one. Flat bones didn't fit with the other three, but I made sure that I included it in there with a photo as well. Below different types of bones, I made sure I talked about common bony processes and then a description as well. There's 4. Below the bony processes, I begin talking about the skeleton and how it has 2 different divisions. I included photos as well as descriptions. And that was the website that I made. I tried to incorporate at least one thing from each chapter.